Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here today. In this video, we do a full body workout, a HIIT session. There are 12 moves, 12 reps on each move. This is a perfect exercise for anybody who wants to get going, who is a 50 plus size person, or anybody who just wants to get going again. There's no jump, no equipment. It's perfect for everybody. HIIT, so we get a heart up and a proper cardio. Right, so let's start at the beginning here now. Oh, by the way, I'm a qualified personal trainer and fitness instructor. So sprint on place, and we are going to soon go all in, okay? This is just to warm up a little bit, and I hope if you haven't done a warm up before we start this one, please stop the video and do that before you do it, okay? So let's sprint on place, and now we're going to have a tiger imaginary behind us, and then we're going to do all in on 12 counts. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. You breathe in, and we breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. These are more or less back to back, so there's not really a big rest between them. But we get the heartbeat down, so we can go all in again, okay? High knees, pull the rope. So you're pulling the rope, so you're using your upper body, and your knees are going as high up as you possibly can, okay? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Mountain climbers. So now I'm going to go down on the ground here, which I normally don't do, but just bear with me. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now you go down on the ground, or you lean towards a wall or something that's static, and then you take your knees up to your chest as fast as you possibly can. You stand in your plank to begin with, okay? Can you see? And then one foot is on the ground and the other one goes high up into your chest. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, be careful when you go up. Careful, careful. Slowly, slowly. Now, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now squat down, like sitting on a chair. Squat down, okay? And then up, down, okay? Down, and then we come up. 3 jab cross, okay? 3 of them. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now reverse lunges. So you concentrate, you go back with your leg, bend down a little bit. This is not, it's the body weight training here now, and then you kick out. So we go down a little bit. In a perfect world, you have 90 degrees there and 90 degrees on your back leg, and then you kick out, okay? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoopa, cross into the gate, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, if you lose your form, just concentrate again and go back to it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, it's the form that's important, and then obviously when you got the form set out, try to get as many moves in that rep as possible, rather if you have a timer. Anyway, let's start now. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Marvelous. Now, that was reverse lunges, back kick. So, breathe in. Let's get some more energy, oxygen into the system. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now, back kick. So you kick your bottom as quickly as you possibly can. At the same time, you are pulling down the rope, okay? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. High knee twist. Perfect. This is great for the detox and also for the tummy and the bottom, okay? So the energy comes from the feet, from the heel, go up through your legs, in through your bottom, and then you lift up. And at the same time you lift them up, you need to use your tummy muscles to get your leg really up high, okay? And then you have your hands on each side of your face, elbow and knee opposite meets up. And you twist your body just a little bit to get a nice twist. And that also works the back at the same time. And it's a detox. So let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That was 6 on each leg. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, fast kick arm swings. This is a great one for your bingo wings. We're going to kick up with the feet, and of course, you can jog and kick them out as you like. And then you go 6 times back and 6 times forward. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, shuffle, 8 punches. So we stand here on the side, and then we go to the side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I must try to find where it's not a funny angle. But anyway, I hope you can see me here. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you are squatting when you're going to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, squat, kick out. Squatting down, like being on a chair. You sit down on the chair and then you stand up. But when you stand up, you kick out your leg, okay? Stand up, kick out, okay? And you're holding your hands high up, so that also is demanding for your upper body. There's the 6 on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, side lunges. Tucking your tummy, engage your bottom. You're squeezing your tummy and your bottom, okay? And then we go to the side and then kick out. Side lunge, in the middle if you like, and then kick out. You adapt, okay? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Go to the left. This is the last move, okay, on the Hiit session. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. That was all. Now, please have loads of water. I can just discover this one, Britta. There's a filter inside. I think it's absolutely awesome. Anyway, drink loads of water. Recommend 2 liters per day and do a cool down after. And of course you can do this 1, twice, 3 times a day, but once is perfect, okay? Lots of love to you all, and please subscribe and share my video, and please comment below. See you next time. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.